It's not law.
Please, I beg you to comport yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address.
I beg you to
Show me.
comport yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down. Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution, show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after my...
No, my Lord, this is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
Excuse him.
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me.
Excuse me.
Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it.